architect, me become impact that in a Denham Town High School or any school free, I must be paid. It's not free. I paid $1 million, 1,300,000 and something thousand for my degree. And the government, I am underemployed. And the government wanted I to use my skills free.
What?
As my learned colleagues say, let us remove the R and charge a fee. Nothing is free. You go to the supermarket, you have to pay. You go to the meat market, you have to pay. You go to the thing, you have to pay. I cannot say I'm a teacher and get it free. Not even a discount at the bookstore for your children as a teacher. It is not free. Nothing in life is free. When you go to the doctor, you have to pay a fee. Not even the health card that the ministry gives is not sufficient to cover the cost. You have to go in pocket. It is not free. Teachers must learn to charge a fee. Yeah. But decorate school for graduation free. You have decorators in we call it interior decorators. They charge a fee. Why should I do it for free? The presenters charge a fee. Why should I give motivational speeches at school for free? MCs at concerts and weddings get a fee. Why should I MC the function at school for free?
And when you're doing consultancy work, they get a
Fee. Yes, why should I do it for free? Nothing I do in school free. Gone are those days when I was young and naive. No more.
free.
No more freeness.
So you say teacher must charge?
I am not oxygen. God gave that.
Anything that is not related to
I am not sunlight. God gave that. You have to pay me a fee. It's not free. Oh, teacher must do everything free. Every time you talk, you offend. But everything you want to want money, so I want to make the mayor go round. I mean, you take care of my family. Can't take me read that.
They teach me to give a free ride.
You free ride. That's the time you